Hello guys! So try natin sagutan itong ating 2 questions for our CSE review for today. So divide 1/3 by 7/4. So list muna natin. 1/3 divided by 7/4. So ngayon, anong kailangan natin gawin dito since magdi-divide tayo? So tatandaan nyo, pag nagdi-divide tayo, lagi natin kukunin yung reciprocal ng ating divisor or nung ating second fraction, which is itong 7/4. So, what I mean by reciprocal is pagpapalitin natin yung numerator and denominator. So, yung 7/4 natin magiging 4/7. So, copy natin yung 1/3. And then, itong division sign natin, since nag-reciprocal na tayo, mapapalitan na siya. Magiging multiplication na siya. Okay? And then, yung bagong fraction natin, which is yung pinagpalit na numerator and denominator, which is 4/7. Okay? So, yun yung mahalagang tatandaan nyo ha. Kapag nag-reciprocal na kayo ng divisor, yung division sign, ma-reciprocal din or mapapalitan din siya. Ano ba ang kabaliktaran ng divide? Syempre, multiply. So, magiging multiplication na siya. So, by this, gagawin na lang natin is multiplying fraction, which is multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So we have 1 times 4. This gives us 4. And then we have 3 times 7. This gives us 21. So since in simplest form naman to, nakasimplify na siya, ito na yung ating sagot for this number or this question. So letter D tayo. Okay? So for our next question, divide 3/7 and 5/2. Hahayaan ko kayong sagutan ito and let's see if naiintindihan nyo yung ating review for today. Okay? So that's it for our review and I hope may natutunan kayo.